Welcome to a visual journey, captured through the lens of the powerful Nikon Z8. Embrace the high-resolution and detailing capabilities of this high-end camera, a testament to Nikon's commitment to excellence. In the next few minutes, we will dive deeper into what makes the Nikon Z8 a game-changer in the world of photography. The Nikon Z8, a high-end full-frame mirrorless camera, is a powerhouse of features. With a whopping 60.8 megapixels resolution, this camera is capable of capturing stunningly detailed images. The dual card slots provide ample storage space, ensuring you never run out of room for your creative endeavors. The Nikon Z8 also boasts 4K ultra-high-definition video capabilities at 60 frames per second. This feature allows you to capture smooth, cinema-quality video footage, bringing your storytelling to a whole new level. Additionally, the camera's ISO sensitivity range is impressively wide. This allows you to capture high-quality images in a variety of lighting conditions, from bright daylight to low-light settings. Finally, the Nikon Z8's enhanced autofocus system ensures sharp, clear images, even in challenging shooting scenarios. This means you can focus on the creative process, instead of worrying about the technical details. The Nikon Z8, a marvel of technology, is designed for precision and performance. The Nikon Z8 is not just about high resolution, it's about capturing the world as you see it. This camera's exceptional lensing capabilities truly set it apart. The heart of the Nikon Z8's prowess lies in its revolutionary Z-mount system. This innovative mount has a super-wide diameter and a short flange focal distance, which means it can capture more light and detail than ever before. The Z-mount system is not just about size, it's about versatility too. It opens up a whole new world of possibilities with a wide range of lenses. From ultra-wide angles to super telephotos, the Z-mount system has a lens for every occasion. Whether you're shooting landscapes, portraits, or wildlife, there's a lens that will help you capture your vision in stunning clarity. But what good is a great lens if your images aren't sharp? That's where the Z8's in-body image stabilization system comes in. This advanced system compensates for camera shake, ensuring your images are always crisp and clear, even when shooting handheld or in low-light conditions. The Nikon Z8 doesn't just capture images, it captures moments. It captures the world as you see it, and as you feel it. It's not just a camera, it's a tool for expressing your creativity, for telling your story, for capturing the beauty that is all around us. With the Nikon Z8 and its superior lensing capabilities, every shot is a masterpiece. The Nikon Z8, a blend of quality and performance, is an investment in your passion for photography. This camera, a marvel of innovation, was released in 2023, marking a new era in the world of photography. The Nikon Z8, though it carries a premium price tag, provides exceptional value for money. At the time of its release, the Nikon Z8 was priced at around $3,500. This might seem steep at first glance, but let's delve into what you're investing in. The Z8 offers unrivaled image quality, outstanding low-light performance, and a robust build that can withstand the rigors of professional use. Furthermore, it features an advanced autofocus system and high-resolution sensor, making it a versatile tool for any photography enthusiast. When you invest in the Nikon Z8, you're not just buying a camera, you're investing in a tool that can help you capture your world in stunning detail. The Nikon Z8, a testament to Nikon's commitment to innovation, is worth every penny. The Nikon Z8, a revolution in photography, is here to elevate your visual storytelling. This magnificent piece of technology has been the focus of our discussion today. It's a game-changer, offering a high-resolution sensor that captures the minutest details with remarkable clarity. The Nikon Z8 isn't just about megapixels, it's a complete package. Its advanced lensing capabilities set it apart in the competitive world of photography. Whether you're capturing a breathtaking landscape or an intimate portrait, the Nikon Z8 adapts to deliver stunning results. Undoubtedly, its performance is top-notch. With rapid autofocus, exceptional low-light performance, and impressive dynamic range, the Nikon Z8 is designed to meet the demands of professional photographers and hobbyists alike. The year of release, 2024, marked a significant leap in Nikon's journey of innovation. Despite its high-end features, the Nikon Z8 is priced competitively, making it an appealing choice for those seeking to upgrade their photography gear. In summary, the Nikon Z8 is more than a camera. It's a tool that empowers you to tell your story with precision, detail, and creativity. So go on, explore the world, capture its beauty, and let your pictures do the talking. Capture your world with precision, detail, and creativity with the Nikon Z8.